I want to show you some more steel cutting on my DIY CNC router. I built it from scratch here in my basement, and it's now controlled from Linux CNC. I used an end mill made by Hoffman Group. It's called Holex 202414. It has 3 flutes, 8 mm, can take up to 240 meter per minute, and we have a feed rate of 1150 millimeter per minute, and that is 40 microns per tooth. Here is the cam. I used adaptive clearing. I took 10 millimeters deep cuts and 1 millimeter side cut. I set up the origin with an Heimer probe. And used an old end mill to touch off for the height. Probe for the reference tool. You hear some chatter noise, but I think it's okay. I could probably decrease side impact of the tool. And here is the result. I think it's okay for a DIY router. It produced a lot of chips. And the end mill is still in good shape. No broken corners or damaged edges.